guys want to turn around, you can see it. So, what time is it?
It's almost time.
Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding.
Your heart is pounding. Why?
Because it's gonna be loud.
Yep. Why do you think it's so loud?
Because it's big.
It's a Ryker.
What time is it?
About 2 more minutes.
Oh yeah!
You excited? It's your first time hearing
Yes.
a 508, right? Are you excited and nervous at the same time?
Yeah, that bird is gonna be scared. That was awesome! Oh my gosh. You don't have to be scared of sirens. Never be scared of sirens if you don't have earplugs on. If it's loud for you, then just go buy some earplugs. It's not that hard. Are you sure about that, mister? Okay. Bye, guys.